Good evening, everyone. Our project is concerned with the application of chatbot to investment advising using Dialogflow. Special thanks to Dr. Tony Diana for providing constant support and encouragement to complete this project successfully. So, before we go into it, let me introduce ourselves. Hi, I'm Shikha Patel, and I'm so proud to be a part of a group of smart, hardworking, and diligent people. Our group has JNC and Jin, and these are our UMBC credentials. During the entire presentation, we'll go through the following content. Now, let me give you a quick introduction about a chatbot. What is a chatbot? A chatbot is a software or a computer program that simulates human conversation with customers or a user and provide accurate answers through text or voice interactions. Chatbot has been widely deployed in finance, retail, public, and manufacturing industries. Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Google's OK Google, and Samsung's Bixby are good examples of personal assistant services. So what is an investment chatbot? A chatbot for investing purposes is an interface that communicates with financial services to give information and advice to the users or any investor. Chatbots are dominating in the financial industries, mainly in retail banking, investment management, wealth management, and investment portfolio management sectors. Investment chatbot creates a dedicated relationship serving investors with their investment management. So why our investment chatbot is important? Users sometimes have to invest a lot of time on the internet to find relevant information regarding their investments in mutual funds, bonds, cryptocurrency, stocks, and portfolio management. To alleviate these problems, our investment chatbot is an innovative idea built on a dialogue flow to provide personalized assistance in discovering important information about any type of investment, as well as help them in investing, forecasting stock prices, and recommend the best investment strategies based on the current market stock prices. Eventually, any investor can take an advantage of such multifunctional investment system to grow their wealth. Now, Jean will continue with the features of our investment chatbot.
The investment chatbot is task-oriented, which focuses on the predefined investment task and responds to very specific investment commands. This session will cover the main features of the chatbot that assist users to learn how to invest wisely and provide a convenient approach to gather the necessary information and make proper financial investment decisions. One of the most essential features of the investment chatbot is to provide definitions and tutorials for different investment options, because not everyone has the financial knowledge and experience to make investment decisions. This chatbot can help users to learn different types of investment, whether it is mutual funds, bonds, stocks, or cryptocurrency. The investment chatbot can provide useful information to assist users to make the right financial moves and planning for the future. In addition, the investment chatbot provides information retrieval service, such as suggestions for investment tools and real-time stock price queries. So first-time investors can retrieve information on useful investment tools and start their journey. Besides, the stock price checking feature provides traders with more accurate information, reflecting the market such as high, low, open, and close price of the stocks. So the chatbot will display all the necessary information to support their financial decision in real time.
Chatbot can also be used to predict stock prices for S&P 500 stocks. Predicting the stock market moves can be a useful tool for investors. Traders can query about the particular stock they are interested in and get the forecasted value for the next 5 days before making their decision to buy or sell, especially the swing traders who look for short-term trading opportunities. On a particular day, the chatbot also shortlists the stocks to trade based on technical indicators. Technical indicators are tools that help in analyzing the movement in the stock prices and whether the ongoing trend is going to continue or reverse. It helps the traders to make entry and exit decisions of a particular stock.
So now we know that the investment chatbot offers great features and assistance to users for investment. Let's dig into the detail of development process. This methodology section will illustrate the machine learning and NLP methods we have leveraged to achieve the feature mentioned. The foundation of the system is to build a chatbot agent that can understand natural human language and provide the request information. Instead of building our own agent from scratch, we decided to utilize Dialogflow, a chatbot development platform, to build a conversational agent. Similar to building the chatbot by using NLP tools, Dialogflow offers a friendly user interface to define the key components of a chatbot, such as agents, intents, entities, and fulfillment. Besides, it utilizes Google's machine learning models and NLP to train the agent once we predefine this component. These NLP techniques are used by Dialogflow to enable the chatbot to process human conversation. POS tagging to identify entities in the user input in sentence. Tokenization to split the text into meaningful words. Stemming to reduce the inflated words into their base form. Stop words to filter out high-frequency words from the user input sentence. Tone reinforcement to give higher weight to a certain phrases in a sentence. After the chatbot agent is built, we deploy it to Google Assistant so it can support either text-based and voice-based communication. The regular chatbot can handle the general conversation. However, it cannot answer questions related to real-time stock price query and price prediction. For these scenarios, chatbot fulfillment and webhook need to be built. Fulfillment is a key component of a chatbot that allows an agent to take actions based on the user's expression and send dynamic responses. So a webhook application is developed by using Python with Flask framework and hosted in a cloud environment called Python Anywhere. This diagram shows the connection between the chatbot and webhook. If users request sophisticated response like real-time stock price and machine learning model resource, the chatbot can send a request with user input to our webhook. Then the webhook will perform necessary action and send back the result. To train our chatbot to provide the requested knowledge for investment, we use web scraping to collect the investment text from authoritative website. And then to provide concise educational content, we use text summarization model to extract the essential information from the script text. We have carried out web scraping using Beautiful Soup, text cleaning, and text summarization using Jensen. Jensen was with the text rank algorithm, which utilized the extractive summarization approach to extract the highest rank sentence based on the text similarity. If users want to learn more beyond the summary, they can access the original content by redirecting to the external website provided on the chatbot interface.
It is important to make the data stationary before we apply any model in time series data. The autoregressive integrated moving average model has been widely utilized in banking and economics since it is recognized to be reliable, efficient, and capable of predicting short-term share market movements. In our chatbot, we use the historical data of S&P 500 stocks collected from Yahoo Finance API to forecast the stock prices. The ARIMA model is trained for S&P 500 close price data for the duration of 2 years. The model forecasts the close price of the stock for the next 5 days and returns the result to the user in the form of a table. The stock recommendation feature is designed so that the investor can make an informed decision after getting the recommended stocks based on a selected indicator. It shows the present movement of the stocks in the stock market. In our bot, we use the historical data of stock S&P 500 stocks collected from Finance API to recommend the stocks based on the technical indicators RSI and volume. RSI is the relative strength indicator, essentially used as a momentum indicator. It measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of a stock. The trading volume is a measure of how much given financial asset has traded in a period of time. For stocks, volume is measured in the number of shares traded. In our bot, we recommend stocks with RSI less than 30, which are the oversold stocks, and the stocks with a higher average volume over the last 2 years in the sample data. In the next section, we will do the demonstration of the investment chatbot.
Hi, I am an investment chatbot. How can I help you?
I want to learn about investment.
You want to learn about investment. What kind of investments you want to learn about?
Mutual funds?
What do you want to learn about mutual funds?
How they work.
When you invest in a mutual fund, you may have short-term capital gains, which are taxed at the same rate as your ordinary income, something you may try to avoid when you sell your individual securities. However, if you own the mutual fund in a tax-deferred or tax-free account, such as an individual
I want to invest.
Select the website where you want to invest.
Robinhood?
You can go to this website to invest.
Here you can sign up or log in and start investing. And if you do not want to invest with this website, you can also select any other website.
Select the website where you want to invest. Charles Schwab. Hi, I am an investment guide. I will help you with your investment. Please specify the stock you are interested in. X. High price for Apple today.
Here you can see the graph of the stock price. Check another price.
Please specify the stock you are interested in. X. High price for Apple today.
High price for Apple day before yesterday.
Hey, here you go. The high price for AAPL is $159.40. Hello, I am an investment guide. How can I help you? Please specify the stock you are interested in. X. Apple.
Google.
Hey, here you go. This is the forecast results for stock Google. Greeting. I am an investment guide. How can I help? On which of following the basis you want investment assistant to Hey, here you go. This is the recommendation results based on the On which of following the basis you want investment assistant to recommend you to invest. Hey, here you go. This is the recommendation results based on the stock volume.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Happy to help. Hope I was helpful to you. Come back again.
Now that you have seen the demonstration of our investment chatbot, let's conclude by saying that this investment chatbot can be helpful for the investors, portfolio management companies, and other stock market stakeholders who looks forward to benefiting and earning money in this competitive stock market era. However, this investment chatbot is only implemented on Google Assistant. It does not allow us to present graph or charts for better visualization of the forecasted stock prices. Neither it allows the developers to provide an alternative, attractive user interface to the chatbot, and it's only compatible with the English language, but it can be implemented by using another platform in a revised version of this chatbot. So in future, this chatbot can also be deployed on other platforms with more enhanced features to be compatible with other languages than English. This integration will give a broader scope and can be useful to the wider public of the world speaking different languages. We can also leverage more stock prediction and recommendations based on the fundamental metrics like EPS, price to earnings ratio, return on equity, and technical indicators like money flow index and simple moving average. Chatbot can also have more conversation and give insightful responses to the investor about the risk percentage, return percentage, and the duration of the investment before recommending the stocks. This chatbot can also be connected with the trading APIs to help place the trading orders after the conversation. So these are the references that we have used. And with this, we would like to end our presentation and thank you for listening to it. We're open to any questions if you have. Thank you very much.